Okay, hello guys, I am back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to easily get rid of all the wrinkles in your shirts. Like if you have to go somewhere like really quick, or it's dinner or whatever, or just anywhere in particular, and you don't have the time to iron it or whatever. See, I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of all the wrinkles. This shirt is not as wrinkly, but it still has some wrinkles, as you can see here. So let's get into it. What you guys have to do is get a spray bottle. Just have your shirt in the spray bottle and fill it up with water. You can fill it up with just water or whatever. You probably fill it up there with a fragrance if you would like it to smell a certain way during the process. But have water and a spray bottle, and what you want to do is just get the spray bottle and just simply spray all over the shirt. Just spray over where all the wrinkles are, or it's good to spray all around the shirt. And why we're doing this is because we're going to put it in the dryer, and once it's wet through the dryer and everything, and once it's a little bit wet and a little bit damp, and you put it in the dryer, it dries it and then gets rid of all of it, instead of putting it in the dryer and it doesn't really work or whatever, and you don't notice it working. It's because it's not damp. It has to be damp for it to fully get rid of all the wrinkles. And make sure that you don't dip it into a sink or anything. Don't put it under a sink, because if you put it under a sink, if you put it under water from the sink, it will take you about over like 20 or 30 minutes for it to actually dry, because of how much water you just put into there. So you want to make sure that you have a spray bottle to use for that. Okay, so what you guys want to do is just grab your spray bottle, of course, and then just spray. Just spray at it. Spray at all the points with all the wrinkles on it. You just want to spray all over the shirt. I'm getting the parts, but you want to do the same step on the back side. It doesn't really matter if you just fold it anyway, because then you'll be popping it in the dryer and it'll still be fine and on wrinkles, so it doesn't matter which way I put it right now. You just want to spray all over the wrinkles on the back and the front, and make sure you get all the sides and everything. Give it at least 5 or 10 minutes, most likely 5 in there, probably even less, but most likely 5 is good. Put on medium heat. You can put it on high if you want to, and it'll get the wrinkles right out, trust me. And I put it in the dryer and I got all the wrinkles out, so I'll come back after that. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I've taken it out of the dryer, and it's only been like 5 minutes, to be honest. It really has. And as you can see here, the wrinkles have like virtually disappeared. And you know, these wrinkles are usually wrinkles that you would see if you would just take it out of your closet, and you'll just see the wrinkles there. That's literally all the wrinkles that you're getting here. It's just stress wrinkles, you know what I'm saying, from it not being perfect, and because you know you're not going to be able to hang it up any perfect way without it showing wrinkles everywhere. And you know, I was just rushing to do this video, but this is a quick way to get rid of most of your wrinkles that are in here. Like, you could just flatten this out and you can see there, but it'll look like most wrinkles from, like, you know, because your body, when you fit in there, it's gonna stretch out, so it's gonna be more straighter, and it's gonna look like, and if there are ones that appear, it's gonna look like they are naturally gonna be there, because you know, when you wear it, it kind of wrinkles it out. It makes wrinkles all over the place, so you know, it's gonna look like the wrinkles were already there. And you know, if I stretch it out here, stretch it out, you know what I'm saying, it's all there. So that is an easy way for you guys to simply just hurry up in the morning before work or whatever, or if you're about to get on a flight or whatever, and you need your clothes to be ironed out, this is going to be a fast way for you to do it, especially if you're ironing. That's why when you're ironing, they use that water sprayer thing. That's why on the iron it has that water capsule thing where you could spray the water on the thing. It does the exact same thing. It does the exact same thing. But then you can easily just pop it in there without taking so long with the iron and possibly overheating it. And you're just spraying a minimal amount and easily able to get everything out. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys later, and bye.